Hello, this is Lady Flora, and I'm standing next to all these amazing ferns, as you can see, and I think they are awesome looking, and they're just full. They filled up this huge area, and yeah, I don't know how this happened, but it looks awesome, and I would love to recreate it someday. I am standing underneath this amazing, huge magnolia tree, and magnolia trees get very, very large, as you can see, and as you may have heard, and they have these amazing, beautiful white flowers, like this one. This is actually flower bud, and it's pretty big. I don't know, comparison-wise, if magnolia flowers are maybe some of the largest flowers in the world, I'm not sure, but I know banana flowers are pretty big, and they're one of the largest, and then there's the corpse flower, which is pretty large, and I think magnolia flower is, I don't know, pretty big. Not as big as a banana flower, but pretty big, and they smell pretty amazing, and every once in a while I see one on here, but when I come out to try and film, it's already wilted and brown, so I thought I would just show you this bud instead. So yeah, magnolia flowers are pretty awesome, but we all knew that already. Now this plant I have seen growing up in Florida my whole life, and I have no idea what it is. So maybe you can help me understand what this is. It's got this gorgeous white sort of explosion of flowers, and then the leaves are sort of water retentive and they have kind of a spongy, succulent sort of feel to them. I think it's some kind of lily, but I'm not sure. It definitely smells pretty sweet when it blooms, and there's a lot of them. Here, there's some more right behind me. So yeah, if you know what those flowers are, let me know. I would be very curious to find out. I think they're in the lily family, but maybe I'm wrong. Please correct me. I would love to know. And if you have a magnolia tree, let me know how you feel about it and how you feel about magnolia blossoms, because they are awesome and very beautiful. I make a vlog every day but Sunday, so I will see you tomorrow, but only if you subscribe. You may want to subscribe if you enjoy these videos. I love sharing my enthusiasm and my passion for learning about plants and wildlife and gardening and wild edibles and foraging. So if you like that kind of thing, you may want to subscribe. In the meantime, go outside and have a sublime day.